Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to find the unknown in mathematics. And what do we have as the unknown? In this case, we have P as the unknown. The question now is, what are unknown in mathematics? Unknown in mathematics are the alphabet that are in an expression. In this case, we have solve for P in P plus 5 equals 3p minus 7 over 2. In this case, we are solving for an unknown, and in this case, we have p. The first approach to this is to cross multiply. And why do we have to cross multiply? If we look to our right, the right hand side of the equation has a fraction. In one of the videos on this channel, I've explained what to do when you have equal to, multiplication, addition, and subtraction sign in between fractions. Now, the first approach after cross multiplying is to solve maths the way it is. And how do we do such example? If you're cross multiplying, it means you're saying whatever is the denominator of the right hand side will multiply what is the numerator of the left hand side, and vice versa, meaning whatever is below the numerator of the right hand side will also what multiply what is above the right hand side, which is the numerator. So denominator multiply numerator and denominator multiply numerator, cross multiplying. Now, what do we have here? 2 multiplied by p plus 5. And this is going to be 2 open bracket p plus 5 equals 3p minus 7. So here we have to what? Expand. 2 times p is 2p plus 2 times 5 is 10 equals 3p minus 7. When you have alphabet and number and you just have numbers, you look to your right hand side, you have the same kind of number arrangement. The next thing to do is collect like terms. So what does it mean? Any number that has an alphabet will be grouped aside, putting the equal to sign as a bridge. Then any number that is without an alphabet will be stepped aside, will be kept one side. So now we're going to have 2p in this case, which is the number with an alphabet. If we look here at this side, we have 3p after the equal to sign. And there is an invisible plus sign before any number. But whenever you have a minus, there is no invisible sign there. The sign there will be minus. So 3p here is having an invisible plus. But because it's going to cross this bridge and come to the left hand side of the equation, everything you have here before the equal to is left hand side. Everything you have after the equal to is right hand side. So 3p is going to cross to this other side, which is going to give you what? Minus 3p equals, now what do we have on the right hand side? Minus 7 plus 10. Oh, sorry about that. That will be minus 7 minus 10, not plus, because this is coming to the other side. So we're going to have minus 7 minus 10. And what do we have here? 2p minus 3p. In this case, 2p minus 3p is going to give us minus p. And minus 7 plus minus 10 is going to give us minus 17. Here, minus cancels minus. And we're left with p equals 17 as your final answer. So always pay attention to the step where you have to collect like terms because of the signs. Once they are crossing the equal to, they are changing. If it was plus, it will become minus. If it was minus, it will become plus once it crosses to the other side of the equation. So this is how to find the unknown in mathematics. And like I said, the unknown are the alphabet that are mixing up together with the number. Go over this very well and try as much as you can to solve a particular question. I'm going to sometimes be dropping questions that you have to solve and in, put your answer in the comment section so I would get to see if you're following up. Thank you very much for actively participating. Okay, like we're supposed to rule out this because this wasn't what it ought to be. Supposed to rule that out. Yes, because plus 10 coming to the other side becomes minus 10. Okay, because it crosses the equal to, which is like the bridge. So since it's crossing the equal to sign, it will become minus 10. So it's okay. The reason why I permit all these little errors is to also tell you that you can do some of these errors and fix yourself before the final answer. And that's the reason why I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to leave it like that because some students will make such mistake. But when they do, they should be able to realize that, oh, there is a plus sign here, right? And when it's crossing the other side, it's not supposed to still be plus sign. It's supposed to be what? Minus sign. And in this case, they'll be able to what? Get the correct answer. If you love content like this, do well to hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and you can share the link to anyone who you think is finding it difficult to solve some of the simple and easy mathematical questions. Until we meet again, stay safe and be good. Bye, everyone.